Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd, not Entrepreneur. And today we're talking about rows, not just any rows. We're talking about the tool rows. Now, rows, I found this relatively recently. It's basically a superpowered spreadsheet that has automated, or not automated, built-in integrations for just an easier kind of smoother experience. So if you have a Google Sheets, if you have, I think, an Excel sheet, if you have an Airtable sheet, if you have all these different kinds of things, you can pull them all together into one space super easily. Oh, they even have Hunter here on Instagram. Wow. So there you can share everything. So basically, it's one big one big spreadsheet with all the same kind of experiences that you have, but it lets you bring all these integrations are already embedded in the tool. You don't need something fancy like Zapier. You don't need something fancy like Integromat. You can just pull information from all these different sources native in the actual app, which is crazy. So I can't even imagine what you could do with something like this. It would be so cool. So yeah, look at this. They're just searching for profiles at a certain with a certain title at a certain company and popping it all directly into their table, completely native within the tool. That's crazy. That's so cool. I'm actually curious what the pricing is on this. Look at that. Free. $0 per month for up to 10 people. I love that so much. So Rose is crazy powerful. I want to start using this in the show to start doing some really crazy product stuff. But for now, if you need to pull in a bunch of data from a bunch of different sources into one space and really do some crazy awesome data work, Rose might be the tool for you. So let me know if you have any questions on what it does. I'll probably try it out after this little video, and I should be able to answer your questions. I'll see you in the next video.